Hi everybody, it's your girl Angel. Welcome to my magical YouTube channel. A lot of random fun videos is on the way. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Okay, so my phone doesn't want to record for some reason, but I have this shirt that says Bethany Beach. It's really cool. Everyone, the Atlantic Ocean. Crazy.
So good.
Oh, here comes some more.
Oh, it's coming.
Ha
It's making me sink in.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, baby. Now we can say we did it.
Feet in the water, but unfortunately, here at the end of April, wow, look at those waves. The water is so cold that I cannot feel my toes anymore. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video of the beach. It was very weird because when the water would come up, it almost makes me feel like I was going to fall or something. It was the most weirdest feeling ever. But, yeah, I wasn't going to show much of my feet because, well, YouTube doesn't allow that to happen. So, yeah. Sorry if there wasn't a lot of video. But there's the shells I got. Hi everybody, check this out. Look at the sunset. Isn't that like epic? I love it. Ocean there, sunset there. It doesn't get much better than that. Okay, there we go. Use the rear facing camera now so you guys can see that. Isn't that beautiful? It's such an amazing sunset. I absolutely love it. So beautiful. We're going to be heading to New York tomorrow. New York, New York. Heading right to Manhattan. I had to do wide mode. They required me to do wide mode for you guys. Just how amazing is that? It's like, I'm so happy. It's so beautiful. It's so awesome. Just look at it. Yay! Look at the clouds. It's almost like a painting, isn't it? Well, it's the last day here. About to head out to New York. And just want to say bye-bye to this beautiful beach. And Atlantic Ocean. And it's been amazing. Had lots of fun yesterday. Walking in the water and stuff. It was just truly amazing. But on to the second part of the vacation. Look at the dinosaurs. Huh. Okay. Here's some more. You see? And there's one right there. This is a mini golf, but I'll show you guys this. Wow. And then there's a Tyrannosaurus right here. This is so big I couldn't even get it in the shot of pictures. That's so cool. That is so cool. Well, have a look at the dinosaurs. So awesome, isn't it? But, yeah. Here's the, say, bye-bye to Bethany Beach and the dinosaurs and everything. So, my first time having Auntie Anne's. That's pretty tasty. So let's try some of this cheese dip.
I'm sorry to intrude, but your hat is just beautiful.
Thank you.
Did you make it?
My sissy made it.
Oh my gosh, just beautiful.
Thank you so much. That's really good. Spicy cheese. sissy. People love that. Too bad. Too bad that the restrooms had very little water pressure to wash your hands. Get better water pressure in the ladies' rooms, please. But yeah, this is good. It says keep left.
In 1 mile, keep left toward Lincoln Tunnel.
Yep.
I'm exiled to the greener grass, searching for the uncertain haze. Familiar skies and a well-worn path. Oh yeah, I need a cloud to cover up my escape. The clock is an unforgiving warden who watches as I'm off mistaken. Is it deep enough to risk it? Am I too broken to fix it? Sinking deeper in the bog, but I see clearer in the fog. In the fog. In the fog. In the fog. Suffocating in the open air, helpless stranger in a mirror land. Hide my wide eyes, wanna disappear. Not a prayer to hold between my hands. Oh, the clock is an unforgiving warden who watches as I'm off mistaken. Is it deep enough to risk it? Am I too broken to fix it? Sinking deeper in the bog, but I see clearer in the fog. In the fog. In the fog. In the fog. Is it deep enough to risk it? Am I too broken to fix it? Sinking deeper in the bog, but I see clearer in the fog. Is it deep enough to risk it? Am I too broken to fix it? Sinking deeper in the bog, but I see clearer in the fog.
Hi, everybody. Downtown New York, Manhattan. We're finding a restaurant we have to walk. So, battery's kind of dead, but wow. Figured that I would.
Carnegie Hall.
These things down here smell like salami. Hey. Wow. Look at that mailbox. I need a beautiful angel blossom sticker on it. For people like the go to Beautiful Angel Blossom YouTube. I'm coming. This is where we're heading, the Carnegie Diner and Cafe. Oh. Look what's behind me.
All the carrot cake.
All the desserts.
Ooh.
Smoked turkey, sweet potato fries, and whatever this is. It's great food and stuff. And
This is 57.
this is Carnegie Hall. It's Carnegie Hall right there. So yeah, famous Carnegie. Yeah. Ooh, pastrami and Rubens.
That's the subway station.
Yeah. But there's a diner right over there. I'm coming.
Interesting. Cloud smoothies. Grams of protein. Look at that. I wonder how much they are. I'll have to go. It's close.
Those crazy steam coming out of those vent pipes or whatever. It smells like salami or something. So yeah. But yeah, that was a good. That was good.
That way. Can you do this, Angel?
Absolutely. Back at the hotel. Probably going to be the last video of the night. That's for sure.